If your Ford F-150 tailgate button isn't working and you can't open your tailgate, this is the fix that worked for me. This is a 2018. The button was starting to have a delay and got worse and eventually didn't work at all. So first, you need to remove these 8 screws and this whole panel comes off. I actually found this in the panel. Thanks, Ford. Pull these little clips up and then you can pull out the 2 rods. These nuts come off, and this did not take me long at all, but you didn't want to watch me do all that. This little connector pops off, and that's the piece we're going to replace. Some people say you can WD-40 that piece, and it might start working, but that didn't work for me. I saw this part out there for $65, I think, on eBay. I wasn't patient enough to do that. I went to a dealer and bought the part for $83, I think. And I was told it would have been about $350 to have them do this repair, so I'm saving money. Ooh, blue clips. You snap the connector back on, then snap those rods back in position and close the 2 clips till they snap. Put those nuts back on. These clips, by the way, are a lot wider for some reason. Maybe Ford found out they hold the rod better. They were a 1/2 inch and now it's about a full inch. But before you tighten everything down, you should probably push the button and test it. It works. If you still get some delay on the release button of the tailgate, you can pull those rods in tighter. Let me button this up and I'll be right back. So it's all back together. Big test here. And there we go. Works. And there's your part number, which I will put down below. Enjoy being able to use your tailgate.